Hello students, now here you are studying the chapter surface area and volume of class 9. In this you will study the cylinder, the surface area of the cylinder. How will you find out the surface area of a cylinder? Cylinder is a very simple figure which you know it is formed by the rolling anything, rolling like this. So this is a rectangular sheet. When you roll it you will get a cylinder like this. So what is rolling here? This part is rolling at this place and this, so it will be a height of the cylinder. It will be a height of the cylinder and the length of this card is circumference of the base of the cylinder. You are getting the circumference of the base 2 pi r. 2 pi r is this, so you can calculate r by this and height will be this. If you want to rotate like this, then height will be this and then this part, breadth of this card will be the circumference. So its curved surface is forming by the area of rectangle. So that the CSA of the rectangle is area perimeter of the base into height. That is called the length. This circumference of the circle is called 2 pi r, which is L into B. So you will get it is a, there is a two parts, very important. You are getting a cylinder here. This cylinder, you have the coin, 1 rupee coin you put, you also get a cylinder. Right circular cylinder has a height h and the radius r. Then it will get a CSA. One is called the curved surface area is perimeter of base into height. That gives you 2 pi r h. TSA of the cylinder is, there is a 2 base, CSA plus 1 base, 1 is this and it is a base 2. So base 1 area plus base 2 area, that is 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square gives you 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r common, what are you getting? H plus r. It is the total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder is this. Curved surface area of cylinder is this. But now the condition is dependent. It is open from the top or it is a pipe. Both the side it is open. So like this we will do the questions of this in the form. Some examples you see. Example number 3 of the book is given. What is given? Savitri had a model here. Savitri had made a model of the cylindrical kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is there is a two side. It is a pipe, and then she want to cover its curved surface area by the paper. She would like the chart paper required by her if she wanted to make the kaleidoscope of the length 25 centimeter. Length is 25 centimeter, which is indicated by H. H is 25 centimeter, and what is the chart paper is required is the curved surface area is this. Radius is given 3.5 centimeter. Radius is given 3.5 centimeter. Pi is given 22 by 7. And if the cylinder is like this, then it means it is called the length. And which is height also. When you write like this, then it will become a height. So both the same thing, kaleidoscope you will make. So you apply the CSA formula 2 pi RH, put the values and you get the answer. Very simply 7, 5 the 35, 2 into 22 into 0.5 into 25 gives you the answer. Similarly the exercise you will see in the exercise 13.2, question number 1. In exercise 13.2, question number 1. What is the given question number 1? The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14. Height is given 14 centimeter. CSA is given 88 centimeter square. Then find the diameter. You want to find out diameter. Means 2 pi r is equal to 88. So 2 pi r h, CSA is given. CSA is 88. So what will you get? You want to find out r. R is equal to 88 upon 2 pi h. Gives you 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 14. Then find out d, that is 2r. Question number 2. Very simply, 22 4 ja, 7 2 ja, 2 2 ja, and like this you will get the. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. What is the height? 1 meter. You want to close. Base diameter 140 centimeter. Base diameter is given 140 centimeter. How many square meter of the sheet required? How many square meter of the sheet required you want to find out. Closed. Diameter is given, then radius will be 70 centimeter. That is 0.7 meter, because square meter you want. So the total surface area, because it is closed. Closed means area of sheet required is TSA. Area of sheet required. Area of sheet required to make it is equal to total surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r h plus r. You get your answer in meter square. Pi you can write 22 by 7 here. Question number 3 is here. What is given? Question number 3, that we'll see. Question number 3, in this question a metallic pipe is there. What is given? Metallic pipe. Pipe means it is a inside and outside, both the side open. Pipe is there, and the diameter of the cross section is 4 meter. Inner diameter is 4 meter. There is a pipe given like this. Its interior diameter and exterior diameter is given. What is given? Interior diameter and exterior diameter. Interior diameter and the exterior diameter 4 and 4.5. It is given 4.4. Find its first inner surface area. Here it is small R1 and R2 you take. It is 2 centimeter and it is 2.2 centimeter. That is given. So inner CSA is equal to 2 pi and H for both 77 centimeter long. What is given? 77 centimeter long, this pipe. So 2 pi R1H, that you will calculate. Second part, outer CSA. Outer CSA will be 2 pi R2H. What is the R2? R2 is 2.2. Then third one is total. Total surface area is equal to CSA inner plus CSA outer plus twice of the base. But twice of the base, what is the base? This base is like this. What is the base? It is R1 and it is R2. You want to get this area. So what will you get? Pi R2 square minus R1 square. It is the one base, there is a two base. So what will you get here? CSA 1 by first. From here you get, and from here you will get a question answer. So you will write here this plus this, what sign I have put, you calculate, plus twice of the pi R2 square minus R1 square. Outer circle minus inner circle, this area will be also added. Then you get the total a surface area, inner, outer plus ring. So it is a very common question. Question number 3 you have finished. Put the values and get your answer. Question number 4 is here given. Question number 4, what is given? In the question number 4, you will get the diameter of a roller. Roller is given, diameter of a roller is given 84 centimeter square, centimeter, and it takes 500 complete revolution to cover the level of the playground. The diameter of a roller 84 and its length 20. Length means h. that is 120 centimeter. 84. So what will be the radius? 42 centimeter. And it is given, both is given in the centimeter. So 500 revolution. Revolution is 500. For planing, what is the meaning of revolution? So revolution means how much area. Roller is a cylinder like this. It is moving like this. You are seeing, suppose it is a roller, then it will move like this. You will move it. Or it is a roller, top part is a this, then it will move like this, and when again come this hook in the top, then a one revolution is complete. It means when you open like this, it is a roller. When you roll it, and it means how much area it will be covered. It cover the area by equal to CSA in one revolution. So area in one revolution is equal to CSA of the roller, that is 2 pi r h. That is 2 pi r h. R is 42 and h means 120 centimeter. It is long. Bases, no use of base. So total area in 500 revolution is equal to 500 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 pi rh. Put the values all, you will get answer in centimeter square. You can convert in meter square by dividing it 10,000, 100 into 100. So what answer is coming, that you divide, you will get the total area of the ground. Question number 5 is given. Question number 5. Simply you put the values and you can get revolution. How many revolution? 500 to plane the ground. So 500 into CSA in one revolution, how much area it is covering. Question number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter, 50 centimeter in diameter, and 3.5 meter is height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar. Rate is given. How much? Rupees 12.50 per meter square. It is the rate given. So what is the cost of CSA? CSA means radius, you calculate 50 by 2, 25 centimeter, 25, 84. It is given in the centimeter, convert into meter. That is 0.25 meter. So CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. You get the answer in meter square. So cost is equal to rate multiplied by CSA. What answer you are getting? You will put here. Your solution will be over. You will get the total answer. How much area it irrigate? How much cost will be there to paint the surface? Curved surface area. On question number 6 is given here. CSA is given. Question number 6, you see what is given? CSA. CSA of right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, find h. So 2 pi r h is equal to 4.6, then h is equal to 4.4 upon 2 pi r. 4.4 upon 2 into 22 into 0.7 multiplied by 7. Why? 22 by 7 will go that side. So by this you will get the height of the cylinder. That's all for today, and next 5 questions I will tell you in the next lecture. Thank you.